We're not going to Staten Island. We're not going to Epstein's Island. We're going to Governor's Island. Yeah, so we're already in the ferry. And I think that's supposed to be, I'm not sure if that's supposed to be Manhattan or Brooklyn. I think it's Brooklyn. As you can see, it's Governor's Island actually isn't that far from here. In fact, it's literally right there.
It turns out that, yes, the ride to Governor's Island actually is pretty short. Only about 5 minutes long. I only sped it up because I don't think everybody wants to watch the whole thing. And yes, if you see my community post about editing this on an 18-year-old computer, I'm not joking.
We've arrived. It's Governor's Island. I'm usually used to taking long ferries like the Staten Island ferry, which I said in the intro I was not going to go to. Holy crap, what does this say? Andes Road, named in memory of 2nd Lieutenant James C. Andes. He erected by the Military Order of the World War's New York chapter. Okay.
Governor's Island used to be a military installation, by the way.
And in case if you're wondering if anybody even lives in Governor's Island, the answer, no. It says there no entry. And if you even wanted to go inside the houses, the only thing you probably see are ghosts. Ooh, so scary. This is a very long building. I think I heard somewhere that this building is as long as the Chrysler building if you put it on its side. I mean, I guess.
This is Legit Hall. It was built in 1929 as a barracks building for soldiers. The whole building is 3 to 4 stories tall and stretches around half the island. Nowadays, it's a multi-use plaza that connects to the northeastern part of the island with the southwestern part. As you can see, there's supposed to be businesses around it, but I came to the island at the wrong time of day and also month, so all the businesses were closed.
Oh my god, it's the sun! And then here we have the king pigeon, I suppose. Hello, that is me. And my dad. Whoopee. Alright, so this is the northernmost point of Governor's Island. This is like the tallest point of Governor's Island, like the highest. We can see everything now. There's, I think, yeah, there's Brooklyn. And then over there you have Manhattan, New Jersey, and the Statue of Liberty. So yeah, we finally found Slide Hill. Alright. Let's try out one of these. Oh, but they're kind of... This one's kind of wet. This one's kind of wet.
No, not the house.
Nah, not that
Just
one.
let's go.
Yeah, I'm obviously not sliding down on any of these. If only I came here another day, then probably yes. Again, I'm not sliding down this.
Not today.
No. Because guess what? What if this snow made my pants wet, and then when I was sliding down, I just got flung off? I don't want that to happen. It says, play area designated for children ages 5 to 14. So in about a month, I'm not even going to be able to go down there. There's just these random vending machines. They're all Dasani. They're all Dasani water. Like this one, it's just all the water.
It's the middle of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and please get me out of here!
Top 10 numbers from 1 through 10. Starting us off at number 10, it's number 7. At number 9, it's number 8. And at number 7, it's number 9. But look out, 7 at number 6, it's number 4. Quick recap, because number 9 was number 8, which you'll need to know the context for this next number because it's number 5 for number 4. And at number 4, it's number 2, but number 3 this week is also number 5. That's right, folks, there are 2 number 5s at number 6 and number 3. In your face, number 3, you didn't even make the top 10. And at number 2, it's number 1. So close, one, but there can only be one number 1. And that one number at number 1 is number...
Alright, so I just saw a sign that said 15 miles per hour, but the thing is, nobody really drives on Governor's Island, except of course for employees who work here and maintain the island. But then, the thing is, you're telling me I can't sprint 16 on a 15? Dang! I was so worried. Oh, and then there's the NYC ferry. Oh my god, it's so small compared to that. Yeah. I like how they call it the Tooth Fairy. It says it right there, it's called the Tooth Fairy.
Tooth?
Yeah, Tooth Fairy.
Tooth Fairy?
Yes. Wait a minute. Dude, this is the public school, I think. Yeah, it says here, Buttermilk Labs. Oh, so they're actually planning to open this thing. For context, there's an actual public school in Governor's Island called, the Harbor School. This building isn't that, but I believe it's on another side of the island. And I just haven't looked at it. I guess this building's actually older and they're just repurposing it. Maybe it used to be something else. Yeah, it's a great thing when, you know, people use a building for a different purpose instead of just destroying it. Because destroying it would be wasteful, unless it's necessary. Yeah, guys, this is my house right here. Yeah, this is definitely my house. It's at 123 Street, and it has a postal code of 3, I guess. Yeah, so I think we might be editing a video soon because we're gonna get back to the Battery Maritime building, which is only 5 minutes away. Can't you believe it, guys? Only 5 minutes away.
In conclusion, I think that Governor's Island is a hidden gem when it comes to New York City's islands. And I think that everybody should go there at least like once, because it's a nice place to walk around. It has some history to it, with it being a military installation. And to prove to you that I actually edited this entire video on an 18-year-old computer, I could show you the finished timeline.